Hi everyone, we all agree that electric vehicles are key to a sustainable future, but getting consumers to buy them is the real challenge. Why are not more people making the switch? First, the problem and the goal. Despite growing sales, EVs still have not captured a major market share and often rely on financial incentives. The Delaval and Zubarieva wanted to know if smarter, cost-effective intervention, specifically a norm-based and a salience-based approach, could be used to increase EV preference instead. The study aimed to test these two. The study aimed to test these two behavioral intervention while also accounting for individual differences in things like pro-environment identity and economic preference, like willingness to risk or delay benefits. They ran an online survey experiment with nearly 600 participants in South Tyrol, Italy. Participants were randomized into three groups: a baseline, a norm group, or a salience group. They faced hypothetical purchase decisions, choosing between small EVs and large EVs to check for the effect of vehicle. The three phases intervention were the norm treatment, provide and provide information on how many other South Tyroleans were choosing EVs. The idea was to leverage social proof. Next, the Alliance treatment highlighted the life cycle operating cost to make future cost saving, like cheaper charging versus gasoline, more immediate and noticeable. Finally, to isolate the effect of the treatment major sources of heterogeneity, including pro-environment self-identity and key economic preference. The result, the findings were clear and highly practical. The norm-based intervention, telling people what others were doing, had no significant impact on their likelihood of choosing an EV. However, the Alliance intervention, which highlighted those future cost savings, significantly increased the likelihood of selecting an EV. The research confirmed that individual traits like a strong pro-environment self-identity also made people more likely to choose an EV, emphasizing the importance of measuring this factor. For the conclusion, the key takeaway for local governments and a policymaker is that simply providing information on what others are doing might not be enough. A strategy that acknowledges how people actually process information, specifically by making the future financial benefits salient and easy to grasp, is a cost-effective and promote way to and powerful way to promote EV adoption. Lastly, future research should look into validating this finding in a real-world field setting. That's all from me. Thank you, everyone.